Hi friends, today I am with the Sony LinkBuds S Earth Blue and we are going to talk about the top 5 features what these earbuds are going to offer. So keep watching the video to know more about Sony LinkBud S. Now talking about the box packaging of Sony LinkBud S, the best part is that it doesn't come with any plastic material inside and it supports iPhone and iPad also. It has some of the features which we will definitely talk about. In the box content, the best part is that it has the earbuds which are made from the reclaimed water bottles into construction. These are visually marbled pattern which gives a unique design. And if you talk about that, this is basically to repurposing of the discarded water bottles to reduce the environmental impact. Here you can see the boxing is pretty much nice because it comes with the recycled paper products also. In this we got the earbuds. In the box also, here you can see there is charging cable which you can see, which comes with the Type-C port, and it also has the different ear tips, and I will show you that also, and some paperwork including the 360 audio and the user manual. I will definitely recommend you guys to check that paper also. And these are the different ear tips. The weight of one earbud is 4.8 grams and the case weight around 35 grams. It will coming in 4 colors: white, black, earth blue and beige color. This is the earth blue what we got for the review. These earbuds are small, light and 40% smaller than WF-1000 XM4. Now let's jump into the technical aspect. These are 5mm drivers which gives you seamless audio. It also has the multi-point connectivity. As far as these are the truly wireless notification earbuds. This supports high-res audio. Even this has LDAC. Due to this, which it gives the edge to the AI. And it also comes with DSEE, which is digitally sound enhancement engine. It comes with a transparent ambient sound or a higher quality noise cancellation. It comes with the AR gaming experience too. These earbuds come with IPX4 splash and sweat proof rating, which is definitely a good thing. You can use it during the workout. It supports the multi-point connectivity, which gives the upper edge. As far as the comfort while wearing it, it is very comfortable. I have tried it. I will definitely recommend you guys to check out the tips which fits into your ear. So I have tried both the earbuds wearing and it lasts longer. It is pretty much comfortable. The company is claiming that the earbuds, one earbud can be last for several hours. I will definitely tell you each and everything in detail in the battery section, that how long it lasts. But wearing these earbuds are very comfortable and wearing for long hours also I didn't find any difficulty. So the LinkBud S is definitely a good choice to buy. Now coming to the portability, these are very small and these earbuds fit into the pocket very easily. As far as the music or the call quality is concerned, the call quality, when I have tried, the other persons on the side said the call was perfectly fine. So the call quality is very good. Even if you talk about the music qualities, the highs and lows are pretty much balanced, even using it into the market or noisy places. Now coming to the one more important feature, which is the Sony headphone app. This app is very useful because the first thing is that when you connect with the app, you will get an update. So be patient. It will take 30 to 40 minutes to update the new software. Just do that. I will recommend you to do that. It has some features, and in the app you can see the individual battery of left and right, and also about the case. Even if you go to the settings, you can see the LinkBud S tutorials. So I will definitely recommend you to go and have a look on the tutorials. This will be helpful for you. How the tap function will work. On the left you need with single tap, double tap, triple tap. So single tap is for noise cancellation and ambient sound switching. Then double tap is for quick access to the settings. And the triple tap is also for quick access. Tap and continue pressing can reject a call directly. Then on the right side, if you tap, single tap, it is for play, pause, double tap for next song, receive a song, triple tap for previous song. Tap and continue is also few features. Even if you have switch on the speak to chat, so when you are talking, the music will be paused automatically, which is definitely a very good feature. I will definitely recommend you guys to just switch it on. Even you have some more personalization, I will show you that. Even currently it knows that I am staying and sitting on a place, it is showing the same thing. And you can configure this, but if you are moving straight the headphone, it will detect automatically, and when you are talking, it will show that you are talking. Even it has a noise cancellation, ambient sound, and you can switch it off. I have already told you speak to chat, switch it on. And even there are some equalizers, even you can make some custom equalizers, which is a great thing. Even the app is available for Android store also, so don't worry about it. It is available on Android Play Store and iOS App Store. And there are few more things. If you want to make any custom equalizer, you can do that. Create a profile. It is very easy. You have to be a little bit patient, but I will recommend you guys to check this app, because this app is very useful. And even this, you can see you have a analyze your ear shape, it can do that. Even you want a Bluetooth connection quality, how it is, to prioritize your sound or prioritize your stable connection. I want to have a prioritized sound quality, because that will give me a better audio quality. It comes with the DSEE, which is Digital Sound Enhancement Engine. This will give you a digital experience. It supports high-res audio, which is a very good thing, and it also supports your LDAC audio with using your AI. Here you also get a spatial sound optimization. I will definitely request you guys to do the measurement. If you have connected simultaneously two devices, you can switch on it. Even if you have a voice function assistant, you can try that. Even Amazon Alexa is inbuilt in this app. And you also get the settings which you can edit for the left and the right tab, which I have already told you. Here you can see you can change the control settings for left and even for right, which is a very useful thing, because on the other earphones it is pre-configured and you can't change those things. So that is a very handy thing. Even in the quick access, you get a double tap to Spotify and triple tap to Endel. You can change this also, and even there are currently these two options, and the third option is none. The app gives you a complete control over the Sony LinkBuds S, which is definitely a good thing for the user, because they want to try different things. Everyone likes to try different kind of music. Even they want a different kind of audio quality. So definitely it is a useful thing. But as I told you guys earlier too, there is a software update. Please do that, the software update, because it will enhance your experience with the earbuds. Now let's try a demo how the earbuds tapping works. If you tap, here you can see the media is play and pause. Currently I am playing Apple Music, and it works very easily with iPhone and iPad also. Now I am changing the song. I am going to the next song. Even I have tried to the previous song. It works without any hiccup, and definitely there is no lag. It is a fast pair. It comes with the LE Bluetooth support, and also it has a multi-point support. Now talking about the charging the battery, it comes with the Type-C charging port, and if you see the red light, it means it is charging. When you see the green light, it means the charging is completely done. And the best part is that if you keep it, it will stand like that. It can rest it. So you don't have to worry that it will fail or something like that. Now talking about the battery life, the company is claiming that it can last up to 20 hours. How? The earbuds will last 6 hours each, and also the case can juice up to 14 hours. So 6 plus 14 will be lasting up to 20 hours. Even this earbud supports fast charging. So 5 minutes of fast charge can last up to 60 minutes, which is definitely a great thing. I have tried and used these earbuds for more than a month, and definitely what the company is claiming, these are nearby that only battery, so I have no complaint regarding the battery. Now the last and the important factor is the price. The price of these earbuds, what is written in the box, is around 24,990. But currently if you go to Amazon, you can get a very good deal. It is coming around 14,000, which is a killer price. So this is all about the top 5 features of Sony LinkBuds S. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.